Hey guys, Chuck here. I wanted to mention my next antenna project. Several of you guys have mentioned loop on ground antennas, which are really low. AC3 Lima Zulu sent me an article to one. Man, it looks fascinating. They're not that big. And I've taken down my other temporary and screwing around antennas. And what my intention is, here, let me step back a little bit, looking behind me so I don't fall down again. I showed you my foot. I've got about 120 feet from fence to house. I want to get it away from the house and the noise of wall warts and such, laptops, and I want to build the lower frequency version to use on 80 meters, and it's a diamond shape. I want to put that as far back in the yard as I can, and I'll build at the feed point. I'll build a appropriate BALUN to transform its impedance to something reasonable. And from there, I'm going to run a homebrew open wire feed line to the house. And it'll be a kind of a pain in the ass to make. It is. Here, let's go in the garage. I'll show you the other homebrew feed line I used in my apartment in Seattle. Hang on. What's going on, Lucy? You fake antenna? You don't even have any metal in you yet. You're just a fake antenna, a fake Yagi. Hang on, man. And so there's my homebrew open wire feed line from Seattle, from my indoor antenna, which worked like gangbusters. Whoa, high finger. The width of it is about 2.5 inches, unknown impedance, doesn't matter. Power loss on an open wire feed line, of course, is almost nothing regardless of SWR. So hang on. Oh, my dear ham sticks, I miss you so. Hang on. Please phone. And so here we are again, peering over boom and element, and that'll be my next antenna project. The 80 meter version of the low loop on ground antenna. And of course, man, I gotta transmit into it. I got to. Man, if I can work OL7 PLZ with a 2-foot high antenna, I gotta be able to work somebody transmitting on the loop on ground. But more interestingly will be how it receives when the bands are torn by electrical grid, QRN, my neighbor's washing machine, the plasma TV on either side of me and behind me. You get the drift. Life in the USA. 73. Hey guys. You know what, man? This is awful. Lastly, I hope to have Lucy operational in a couple weeks, right? At the most. I was just locking the garage door and I found something terrible. Check this out, man. My sister Nancy was with me when I bought the PVC, and she knew what we were going to build, right? I'm sorry. On the way out of Home Depot, she saw that, and she said, oh, you've got to mount this high above Lucy on top of your house. Seriously, man? The hell am I gonna do now? She's my sister. She's my sister. A dear, golden-hearted woman who cares about all of humanity and every creature on earth. And I'm gonna tell her no. I'll be ashamed. Oh no.